Hey guys, what's up guys? So welcome to the PGM Toys Part 1. Today guys, alright guys, we missed you guys. I'm back guys. Thank you guys for waiting. Okay? Alright guys, how am I show? I'm a cover. Oh! Can't see this? I'm a show surprise, okay? Alright. I'm gonna sub you. Ouch! Ouch! Ah! Oh, so sorry, guys. It's not going to space. It's not going to space.
Follow me.
I guess
Fun has tunnels been round and round.
I guess.
And it's very windy.
On my phone. This one.
After the tunnel, we get to go down the
Yes.
slide.
The volume. Here you go. Mommy. There you go. I guess so. I'm going to show you something. Okay? I guess you guys can see this.
It's so separate. The toys do not move on their own.
How pretty. Everyone
Yeah, I'm not ready. I'm moving out of the way. I will show you something.
who's ready for a school trip?
Out of the way, out of the way. Yeah, out of the way. Way. Out of the way, out of the way.
Nice relaxing drive.
Look, close the door.
Oh dear.
Hi guys. So surprise! 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! We got the Max action! Woohoo! Alright guys, so alright, this is one called Target, and this is one called Meyer. I'm showing the surprise! Ta-da! Surprise! The secret is there. It got a lot of cars. Yeah. Ta-da! Got the Minecraft mini fridge. What? Oh, it's got the wheels. Alright guys, I'm gonna show you inside. I'm gonna turn off. Alright guys, plug it out of the way. Hold on. See? Look at that. It's nice. There's water right here. This is a lot of water. There's too much water. Alright, another one. Blue. There's a creeper. There's an LED light. We got steel sugar. This right here. It's one for like water. She got a piece of hair. Alright guys, so alright, look at that Max action. I don't want my heater. It's raised. Alright, so let's see other fan. I got the other sound. Oh! It's a little bit power than Max action, guys. So it's got a power. I got so this is Max action. Let me sound it. It got light to sound. Turn. It all the way, guys. So it's go reverse. Watch. Right, and this one. It's go to horn. And this one, guys. So it sounds like startup. All right. Oh shoot! I'm gonna fail my look. All right, guys. So, wait. Oh, knocked at the phone. I'm gonna 3, 2, 1, go. Wow, he's got the power. All right, guys. Let's other one in the truck. All right, guys. So. Alright, we got the 4 pickup trucks at the alright, we gotta sound this. It's the same. It's the same like garbage truck. Alright, and this one. Same reverse go. And this one. Let's go horn. Last one is same like start. Alright, guys, so this is Remember's got, and then I got tires. Alright, guys, let's see how to the pop out. Alright, I got. Wow. Alright, guys, so this I'm gonna take out the other truck. See, look at that, guys, watch. It's about to fail out in the truck. This is nice. Let's see, got test. Oh, guys, I'm going full screen. Alright, guys, so. Oh! Not that phone. Alright, guys, so. Alright, guys, so. Look at that, guys, so. Look at the flow of my phone. Hey, look at that. It's nice. Let's try it on the blue. Ah, not that phone. That's a little bit super fair the phone. I guess so. Be right back and put the full screen.